I'm Jay Peterman.
John O'Hurley found fame on The Seinfeld Show.
Sophisticated yet different without making a huge fuss about it.
Seattle's own David Frei is one of the most knowledgeable experts in the world of competitive canines.
Jim, do you see I've got my Kraken hat on?
I love it.
Here is the working group.
Together, the duo provides warm and witty commentary every Thanksgiving as hosts of the wildly popular National Dog Show on NBC.
Here it is, the best in show. Take us down the line.
We do about 30 million people, which is Seinfeldian.
From the Terrier Group, it's the American Staffordshire Terrier.
David, congratulations on your 50th broadcast. That's kind of a big deal.
Thank you. I'm excited about that. I'm excited that I've had 23 years with John as part of that. So.
I love that too.
Yeah, I wish I could say the same.
So I'm wondering if a key ingredient to your success as a pair is that John has the world's most perfect hair.
And by the way, some of it is real.
It hasn't moved in 23 years.
Although in high winds, it's been known to snap off.
The two provide insight and make some guesses about which dogs will win.
We go through the same thing that everybody that goes to dog shows does. We judge from outside the ring, and sometimes we agree and sometimes we don't.
So if the judges differ from your opinion, you guys, that means...
But then we immediately disqualify them.
Yeah, then they're obviously wrong. Right?
Do you want to make any predictions for this year?
Well, the winner will have 4 legs. That's all I can tell you. But I will give you the spoiler alert. The dogs don't care who wins.
I certainly, for one, am looking forward to it. And so is Marvin. And he's not just saying that because I'm feeding him treats right now.
That's right. Whatever you want, Dad. Whatever you want.
My dog thinks I'm a genius because I know how to operate the can opener.
I still haven't figured the can opener out myself, so my dog thinks I'm an idiot.
Maybe your dog can work with you on that.
Thanks so much, guys. Happy holidays.
Thank
Have
you,
a great
Jim.
show this year.
All right. Go Ducks.